Okay, show me the rooms.
Okay.
Oh, nobody needs to see that one. That's the messy one. What room is this? Yeah, is there anything special about your room?
Yeah, there's books, book toys. It's on my back. It's not moving away. With the size. Like the size.
All right, you want to show me the next bedroom?
Oh, sure. This is Nick's bedroom. And Jackie's bedroom. This is Jake's bed. That's Jake's bed. This is Nick's bed. Those are the moons. And this is the drawing table. And those are the books.
All right, you want to show me the living room? Or the bathroom? Show me this bathroom right here. Over here.
What was this Nick's?
No. Show me Nick's bathroom.
Okay.
Yours and Nick's bathroom.
Here it is.
What's in there?
Monkey says. Steve says two. So this is mine to brush.
What else is in here?
With a white. The white. The white. Numbers in the bathtub.
There's numbers in the bathtub.
That's it. Ow, you like it?
Oh, I do.
You like the soap too?
Okay, do you want to show me the living room now?
Oh, sure. Here it is, the living room. That's the cage. It's Jakey.
You say hi, Jakey?
Hi, Jakey. Welcome to my house.
Okay, show me what else is in the living room.
Oh, sure. There's the piano. Can play music.
Oh, well, don't play the piano right now. Let's show me what else is in here.
There's TV. But I like it. It's a lucky frog. You're a lucky frog. It was a present for me.
Oh, yeah?
This is me. That's me. That's Nick. That's Jakey. That's Nick. That's Jake.
You want to show me the next room?
You like the kitchen. That's your computer. It was a present. The computer was a present. This is mine. This is mine.
You want to show me the laundry room?
Here's the laundry room.
Do you do lots of laundry in here, Chloe? All right, let's go show people the pantry. There's nothing in it yet. We have to buy some shelves first. And then in the floor, there's our storm cellar. Now we've had some severe flooding, so we got a little bit of water in today. But other than that, it looks pretty dry down here. Oh, my overflowed. Oh, it's all gone over to the overflow. Overflow's quite overflowed. Okay, it's okay. Let's come back up. Good girl staying up there, thank you. So can you ask everybody if they liked your house?
Oh, thanks for liking my house.
Blow everybody kisses.